Hi, listeners. Welcome to the second part of content marketing. So, here we'll learn about the basics of content marketing. So, what exactly content? So, content is the information, the idea, or the experience you publish online. So, it is anything that you produce and publish for the purpose of offering it to your audience. So, the format of content is mostly text, but it can also be visual or video. We explained it in the previous module. So, in the realm of digital world, content should be useful. It should be useful to everyone. So, it should be easy to consume. Everyone can read, everyone can access, etc. Then it can be shareable. Nowadays our websites are again ready to share everything, share to WhatsApp, Instagram, wherever we want. Notion, Insta pages, Twitter, everywhere. So next is originality of content. In that part it is very difficult because everyone is again nowadays it everyone is again infringing the content and all, infringing the intellectual property right of others. So if you are giving source, then you are giving courtesy to uh, the content creator. So originality is what exactly needed in a content creation nowadays. Artificial intelligence has taken over to create content and all. So relevant. So content should be most relevant to the time, because content will perish. There are different kind of content, current content and uh, you know uh, history content will not perish because people need a history. News content will perish, that is current content. Future content, so you can predict about the future and you can write about the future or the new product development, etc. Next is compelling or pursuing a content should influence others. Timely content, you have to produce a content, you have to develop a content, present a content and publish the content in the right time. So if the content is demanding to publish today, then definitely you have to publish it today. Personalized content in the sense content for different category of people. It should be authentic in nature. Okay. Genuine content is again acceptable. Engaging content is needed, like a text, visual, audio. So that is what exactly engaging. uh, backlinks. So if you are giving a link uh, about a uh, about a product or about a word, the user can just click away. He can study about, or he can educate himself about a word or a product which you have given in the parent page. So next one is, it should be educational. Definitely content should be, should educate the user. Entertaining content is also there. Insightful content, then conveying a story, contextual. So this is what exactly content. So I'm not saying that you have to use the entire thing which I have mentioned here. So as per the, you have to use the logic, as per the rationally you have to select the content. But some inevitable things are there, like it should be useful, authentic, educational content. It shall not be educational content, but it should be authentic content. Okay. It shall not be personalized content, but it should be original content. So it is up to website, it is up to person, it is up to organization, etc. So in terms of business promotion, content is used as a way to directly connect with the target group. Each of these attributes is supposed to increase the quality of the content you present to your potential customers, and the main purpose is to encourage their interest in your business or the organization business through uh, the content you develop or content the organization develop. So since the content is created with a specific purpose in mind, it has to it has to be well planned and carefully designed. So you know as much as content creation involves creativity and skillfulness with transferring your thoughts, opinions using content, you cannot make a content within a time. I mean, like, otherwise you have to be savvy with the writing the content. You have to be careful while writing the content. You have to be, very creative by writing the content. Using content in content marketing is done with a specific goals, and thus it is something you should think through. So what is content marketing? So content marketing is a type of marketing focused on creation and distribution of online materials that directly promote the brand or indirectly promote the brand. So direct promotion refers to the creation of promotional materials and content used for advertising purpose. So here the type of a content is usually used in paid ads like search engine marketing or affiliate links like affiliate marketing, etc. So on the other hand, content marketing is frequently void of any direct promotion. So the purpose of this content or the purpose of this kind of content is simply to increase interest in your product or service. So this way content marketing indirectly attracts and acquires leads and customers. So looking at online marketing in general, it can be uh, you know um, it can be concluded that content marketing is a type that correlates with all other types of marketing because it essentially creates a base for them. So in terms of SEO, content helps with keyword placement and website optimization. For email marketing and social media marketing, content is used to encourage interest through these two channels. The same can be said for paid advertisement as well. you know um, these are some of the benefits of content. So you can create web traffic. Definitely you can create web traffic because of the content that you create in your website. So if someone type on Google search, if your content have that I mean, like, if your website have that keyword, definitely the search query is connecting with the keyword which is in your content. Definitely your website will come first. Have an example, you're talking about Joe Biden, or how Joe Biden would help uh, India, or will Joe Biden is fruitful for India. So these kind of contents are most relevant these days. I mean, like, because today Joe Biden, I mean, like, in now November 8th, Joe Biden become America's 46th president. So that time, if you create more content on the relation between the India and America, you can talk about Kamala, the vice president. Okay. So all these kind of a content are more relevant nowadays. Content on products are more relevant. Client engagement content, definitely the client should know about more things. How a legal, have an example, if you are an advocate or if you are having a law firm, definitely your client should know about different proceedings. So if you have a website, definitely you can explain about how IPR have been filed, or how patent application should be filed, how to start a company. if you have a website in I mean, like, if you are or if a organization like a hospital service industry, the client should know about the fees, the client should know about the packages, medical packages, etc. Tourism, hotel, etc. If the client should know about more about the services provided by the hotel industry or tourism sector, definitely if the website is providing, definitely that would be, a good shot for the organization as well as the institution concerned, because the client will know about, you can educate the client because of the content. Next is leads and conversion. So previously we learn about how to convert, how to make a funnel and all. So with the help of social media platform, with the help of a website. So for the website, definitely lead conversion is a part and parcel, and it is inevitable thing. Lead conversion will happen only if the customer trusts you. So content will help you to believe uh, the customer. I mean, like, the customer will believe you, customer will give trust upon you. So media visibility should be there. Competitive advantages, you will be more competent, because if you have more content on your website or social media pages, every day you are uploading the content. Have an example, Amazon. Every day Amazon is updating, every day Amazon web pages are updating, every day Amazon's blog is updating, Amazon blog is updating. So definitely the search engine will shows Amazon fast, because every second Amazon is updating with the content. Brand awareness. So once people identifies you because of SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, whatever it is. So nowadays in corona times, there is no other option to visit the shows and all. Now there is a free movement, but before that, or now also, people first look on to the internet about a business. So they will learn about the business, they will learn about the organization, then only they will move to the store, offline store. So these are the benefit of content. Listeners, although producing quality content is one of the thing most marketers see as an obstacle, so mainly because it requires more asset. So both money and time invested into research and production, it has been constantly highlighted that the potential of you know um, potential of what exactly of such content is huge. So it has been constantly highlighted that the potential of such content is huge, and definitely content marketing is an inevitable thing. Content marketing is the part and parcel of modern business, e-business, everything. So this is an overall picture of the basics of content marketing. We'll learn about um, what you need to think about when creating a content in the next video. Thank you.